Exclusive promo alert para sa lahat na naghahanap ng affordable at quality na bahay. Ito na ang opportunity na di mo dapat palampasin. Urban Deck Homes Marilao and Deck Homes May Kawayan, prime location, complete amenities and accessible sa lahat. At ngayon, may exclusive promo na available for limited time only. For direct pag-ibig financing, walang hassle, walang bank approval, low monthly amortization, sakto sa budget ng pamilya mo. Move-in opportunity habang maaga pa. Siguradong sasabihin mo, dapat pala noon pa ako nag-reserve. Kaya habang may promo pa, wag na mag-delay. Perfect sa first-time home buyers, breadwinners, OFW, pamilyang gustong makalipat sa sariling bahay, ASAP. Kami na ang bahala sa pre-site viewing, reservation assistant, and pag-ibig processing. Kaya smooth and worries-free ang journey mo to home ownership. By the way, I'm Raymond Mamaril, one of the salesperson of Urban Deck Homes Marilao and May Kawayan. Message now para ma-avail ang promo. Limited slot only, first come, first serve. Urban Deck Homes Marilao and May Kawayan, where your family futures begin.